everybody, I'm Christine Danchuk and I'm here today to tell you that the Danchuk app, the newest version of it, is now available. So you can go to your phones and download it, and you're going to want to download this newest app version because you're going to get 140 parts instruction sheets, you're going to get 44 tech articles, 77 newsletters and flyers, plus over 750 pages of our catalog. You're going to find all this information on this app, so you're definitely going to want to go download it. Also, because it has sale items, new parts, Danchuk Trifive National Info, our shows and events, apps only exclusive sales, which is really important because if you turn on the push notification, will alert you to any new sales. And so go ahead and download it from your app store or go to the website link below for more information. Thank you.